Turn to textbook page 103, grammar 3.3, expressing possession, noun, 이가 있어요, 없어요. Now I'm going to talk more focus on the expressing possession. I have these two verbs, 있다 and 없다. 있다 refers to either existence or possession of an object or person. 없다 is an opposite of 있다 and refers to either non-existence or non-possession of an object or person. Please recall in Grammar 3.1, we learned that the 있어요 is used when you talk about the location of an item. And normally, in this case, the locative particle a is attached to location. And it's used with this verb 있어요. So when you say, the school cafeteria is in a dormitory, 학교 식당이 기숙사에 있어요. So note that 있어요 is used. 유미가 Union Building에 있어요, which means Yumi is at Union Building. So note that 있어요 is used when you talk about the existence of an entity. In fact, 있어요 is used in other contexts when you talk about the possession of an object. Here's an example. So let's say I want to say I have a book or someone has a book. Those are English. And how to say these sentences in Korean? Then you can say 책이 있어요. See, item you have, and then followed by 이 or 가, 책이, in this case, because it's ended with the consonant, 책이, and then use this verb, 있어요. 책이 있어요. That means I have a book or someone has a book. There's no the subject, so it could means the possessor is not clear. But here, although it's an I, in that case, 저는 책이 있어요. Although 저는 is omitted many times. 책이 있어요. Or 책이 있어요. Or 교과서가 있어요. Or 수업이 있어요. That means I have a class. 수업이 있어요. So, 있다, like I said, it could be used to indicate existence of an entity or possession of an object. So, if someone says 가방이 있어요, it could mean two meanings. First, it could mean there's a bag, maybe next to a desk. 가방이 있어요. 책상 옆에 있어요. Or you may omit that part. 가방이 있어요. Or 책상 옆에 가방이 있어요. More specifically. Or possession of an object. Or someone has a bag. 가방이 있어요. Or 저는 가방이 있어요. 선생님은 가방이 있어요. Or you may omit that part. You can just say 가방이 있어요. It could be used in two different contexts. So by context, you can differentiate these two meanings. Same thing, 없다 is the opposite of 있다, and it could mean non-existence of entity or non-possession of an object. 가방이 없어요, that means there's no bag, or I don't have a bag. 가방이 없어요. 자, I just want to give a more example. So let's say there's a conversation between 선생님 and Yumi, and 선생님 goes, 유미 씨, 유미, 한국어 사전 있어요? Do you have a Korean dictionary? That means this 있다 refer to possession of an object or person. And then Yumi goes, yes, I have one. 네, 있어요. That means I have one. She's also indicating the possession of the 사전, dictionary. And then she continued, 그런데 집에 있어요. That means it's at home. And this 있어요 refer to existence of entity. 질문 있어요? Do you have any question? So this is indicate the possession. 아니요, 없어요. I don't have one. That also expresses possession. Normally, when 있다 or 없다 is used as an existence of entity, it is used with location with a particle 에. That's a strategy you can differentiate. 책이 책상 위에 있어요. The book is on the desk. When 있다, 없다 is used with a possession or non-possession, 있다, 없다 is usually preceded by noun with 이가. 책이 있어요. 가방이 있어요. 책상이 있어요. But the particle 이가 is often omitted in spoken context. So you can say 가방이 있어요 or 가방이 있어요 where the subject particle 이가. So normally spoken context, many people just omit the particle 이 or 가. So let's just practice. I have a class today. 저는 오늘 수업이 있어요. class, 수업이 있어요. Number 2, 스티브는 시계가 없어요. Steve does not have a watch. Number 3, 리사는 도서관에 있어요. 도서관에 있어요. So these two, number 1 and number 2 are the position. And the third one is the location. She is at the library. Okay, I just want to ask a few questions. 사전 있어요? or 사전이 있어요? That means, do you have a dictionary with you? 사전, dictionary. 우산 있어요? Do you have an umbrella with you? 우산 있어요? 우산이 있어요? 교과서 있어요? Do you have the textbook with you? 교과서가 있어요? 친구 있어요? Do you have friends? 친구가 있어요? 시험 있어요? Do you have any exam? 오늘 시험 있어요? Do you have any exam today? 시간 있어요? Do you have time? or 오늘 시간 있어요? Do you have time today? 오늘 시간 있어요? 질문 있어요? Do you have any question? 질문. question. 질문 있어요? 한국어 사전 있어요? Do you have Korean dictionary? 한국어 사전 있어요? 네, 있어요. Meaning, yes, I do. Yes, I have the Korean dictionary. 네, 있어요. 한국어 사전 있어요? 아니요, I don't have it now. 지금 없어요. 있어요? 없어요. 책 있어요? 네, 있어요. Yes, I have it. 책 있어요? 네, 있어요. 책이 어디에 있어요? Where is the book? It's in my home. 집에 있어요. So please understand the first 있어요 and the second 있어요. Now I'm going to ask a question. 책상 있어요? 교과서 있어요? 텔레비전 있어요? 가방 있어요? 사전 있어요? 우산 있어요? 컴퓨터 있어요? 의자 있어요? 시계 있어요? Take a look at textbook. Textbook page 104, exercise 2. Exercise 2 is translate the following sentences into Korean. Number 1. I have a computer class today. How do you say this? 오늘, today, 컴퓨터 수업이 있어요. You may omit E and say 오늘 컴퓨터 수업 있어요. Number 2. Steve does not have a watch. How do you say this? Steve는 watch. 시계가 없어요. Does not have. Use this verb. 없어요. There are many students in Korean class. How do you say that? In Korean class, 한국어 수업. You can also add the locative particle as well. 한국어 반에 or 한국어 수업에 many student, 학생이 많아요. So you may use this adjective 많다, many, 많아요. Number 4, I don't have a class today. You can say 오늘 수업이 없어요 or 오늘 수업 없어요.